Hello, my name is Dr. Dirk Farrell. I am the Clinic Director of Align Wellness in Seattle, Washington, and I just wanted to take a moment here to introduce you to our very meaningful logo and share with you what it means. In the center of the logo, you'll notice a lighter green. This lighter green represents your physical structure, the body that you live in. The body that you live in a lot of ways, is like a car in that it has pieces that all fit together. And just like that car, if those pieces are well fit together, if the tires are aligned, they're not out crooked, if the doors close nicely, it's a whole lot nicer to drive, right? There are certain pieces of the car that if they are out of line, the car won't even go anywhere. It's the exact same thing with your body. There are certain things that happen in bodies structurally that if they're out of line, they're going to cause you so many problems you won't even want to get out of bed. So the structure is really, really important. You have to have this thing aligned really well. A posture that's falling is a posture that's causing problems throughout the vehicle, okay, or throughout the body. So we need to get the structure correct, all right? Once we have the structure, we need to condition the structure. We need to use the structure, right? We all know that cardio exercise is good for the heart and good for the body. We know that strength training is good for the muscles and it's good for the body. And a lot of times we're not paying attention to how we're using this thing that is actually damaging the structure. So if we look at these in combination, it comes up with a whole new understanding of what's possible through exercise in terms of making progress in a person's health and well-being. So we have a structure, we need to condition that structure, because that's what we're conditioning when we exercise, and we need to nourish that structure. The nourishment, it comes from what we put in our mouths predominantly, although what we put in our skins can be nourishing as well. The air that we breathe is incredibly important. Nourishment, if you think about your body as having trillions of cells, which it does, and each of those cells having a specific parts list, exact list of things that they need to function well, your body is like an amazing, complex assembly line. And that assembly line in a factory, building cars or bicycles or anything else, if those parts are where they need to be at the right time, the assembly line runs really smoothly. If it doesn't, it breaks down, production gets all messed up, bosses get angry, employees lose jobs, all sorts of things happen if the parts aren't in the right place. Well, the nourishment is bringing in to our structure all of those pieces, parts that our structure needs in order to replace the cells and keep us functioning optimally. So to summarize, in the middle of the structure, get that right, condition it in ways that support the body and don't break down the structure, nourish the body by giving the structure what it needs, not necessarily what we want to eat in any given moment. And then if we do that, then we're going to get to health, which is really what we want.